Hi friends, this video shows how to change language of the device. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go down set language. Then set English. See, right now I am using English US. I am going to change this to one unknown language. Let me change to this one. Done. Then go back. See, this way we can change language of the device. Okay, so later if you want to go back, you can again go to settings, then system, language, then set English. I am going to revert this change. Done. So this way we can change language of the device. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.